Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm going to show you more of my collection. So check out a playlist I made. It shows what I currently have. I'm making videos if you want to see them all, to see my RC cars. Anyhow, today I got some Tamiya modern four-wheel drive buggies. Let's take a look at this first. Plasma's Edge 2. This thing's inexpensive, and the kit includes oil shocks and stuff. I put full ball bearings in it, steel pinion gear, and this thing runs like crazy. I love it in the ball field. Whoo, rips it up good. Look at that paint job, cosmic. Funky paint job. This one has pretty good ground clearance for a newer style. Let's see under the hood here. And there's how I painted the body. Cool looking. What's in this? We got Hobby Wing 1060. And I can't see what motor's in there. I don't think, it might be a stock one. RS540SH. I think it's the stock one. So that's a stock motor. On 2S it runs good. And that's what it looks like. This is a nice buggy for the money. Works really good. It's based off the on-roads and the rally cars, but the buggy version, the TT4, but with long A-arms. I think I put like 15 weight oil in there, or 10. I think it was 15, and it works pretty good. I got a stock servo in there. Everything on my cars is Dean's because I've been using them so long. I have so many cars and adapters and chargers and all this stuff. I can't switch them now. But that's the Plasma Edge 2. Nice four-wheel drive buggy if you want to get one of these for the money. It's really nice. Highly recommend this one. Alright, let me know what you think of that paint job. What's next? Oh yeah, the Super Avante. This is the RC Elf custom green one I did up. And the RC Elf gave me this beauty. Boy, I had a lot of videos with this thing. Changing motors, pinion gears, heating up problems, ESCs, glitching. I finally got it worked out now. And I got a steel pinion gear in there. Full ball bearings. This has oil shocks. This is a weird looking buggy. It's supposed to have like little fenders on it too, but that was too much for me. I didn't like that. I think it looked better like this. Look, you could see the shocks right there through the window, which is kind of weird. Cantilever suspension. But yeah, I have a lot of videos on this trying to get it to work. Let me take off the body. I finally got it to where I think I like it. The only other thing I might want to do is put one of the newer Kyosho 14 turn 550s in there. It's a little faster than the one I have in here now. Look at that body. To screw it together and everything. It's pretty heavy though for a little body. Either you love it or hate it. I think it's alright, but I hate it at the same time because every time you have to get your battery out, pull this out, pull a clip under there, flip this whole shock thing up, unscrew these 2 screws. It's a pain to get the battery in here. I wish they would have made it different. But that's how it is. That's how she goes. You've seen it in my videos though. Handles and runs great. I got a 1060 in there. Most of my cars have them ESCs, the brushed ones, because they're like really good. You can't beat them for the money. They handle nice motors too. But this has ball diffs in it. I have them set up right. At least they gave you an aluminum shaft with this one, so that was nice of them. It's a unique design. It's heavy. It's like solid. I can't explain it. You gotta see one in person if you haven't seen one. It's like real meaty and heavy. Built real solid. Runs good. The motor gets kind of hot because it's like tucked way in there and nothing hits it. There's the plastic in front of it. There's this little scoop here that the air goes in and hits it. So that's why I use these 550 motors. It makes it run much cooler than the smaller 540 size motor. Anyhow, cool looking buggy. Thank the RCL for getting me this beauty for the show. And I put it together. I have a build video and paint job video of this. If you want to check them out. How the heck does this go on? Just like that. So let me know what one you like better. This one or that Plasma Edge 2. That's it for my 4-wheel drive buggies. I only have 2 right now. I only kind of really like the old school ones that I showed in the other video with the bigger tires, the knobs and stuff. They're my favorites. The modern ones, not so much, but they're alright. Let me know which one you like better out of the 2. What's your favorite if you own them? There they are. Alright guys, that's another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what chassis you like, or if you like, not like me, you don't like the way this is to work on it and get the battery out. This is so much easier. Let me know your findings if you own both of them. Which one you like better, the handling, how it performs. Anyhow guys, that's it. I gotta wrap this up now. Thanks for watching as always. If you're new watching, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And remember to check out that playlist, because I have all my vehicles I own right now. The current whatever RCs I got, I made playlists and I'm making these videos so you could check them all out. Like I said, it always changes, so that's gonna change over time again. And I don't want to bring all these outside like I used to and then to make one video, because carrying them out then getting them back in is so hard. I'm not doing that anymore, so this is why I just did these couple videos I can make and show you them like this. It's better with the playlist. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time. ShenRC out.